Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is Mr. Inspiration, Isaac Ingram, coming at you. I'm going to walk you through how to complete your sign up with myEcon. Just as I'm walking through this, I'm going to be here to walk you through everything and help you build your business, answer any questions you may have. We have a great support system, awesome group for training. The whole 9 yards. You will not be alone in this aspect. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to click Get Started. You want to make sure that where it says Verify Your Sponsor, that my name is right there. If for some reason my name is not there and someone else's name is there, get back with me. This is a good chance I might give you one of my teammates link, because I do a lot of helping them get signed up too, just to verify with me if that's okay. Once you have verified that this is me, or that the name that you are seeing is okay for you to proceed, go ahead and hit continue. Alright, and the first thing you're going to do, you're going to come up here, you're going to fill out your name, first, middle, initial, last name, if you're a junior, etc. like that. Right here, where it's the social security number, you can either put a social security number or a business EIN number. This is a legitimate opportunity. I've been around for 13 years, located out of Atlanta, Georgia. This is why I was asking you for this information, because we do pay taxes. So we want you to be compliant legally. That is what that information is for. If you have a spouse or a business partner, you put their information right there. Put your mailing address right there. And then if your mailing and shipping is different, check if it's the same. If it's different, fill it out. Then we're going to need for you to put in a phone number right there. Mobile number, if you have a home or business number, you put it right there. And let's put a good email information that you can be contacted at or you would like to use right there. Then you confirm it right there. Then we're going to move down here. You're going to select the Marketing Director Income Shifting Membership. I recommend getting the $47.90 because you automatically qualify for higher commissions and promotions for your first year. You get the income shifting membership, and you also get the cashback mall, which is fantastic. So many people are shopping online now these days. So with the cashback mall, you can shop online and earn cash back from all your purchases. So you make the decision. I recommend this one, but it is okay for you to start off with this one. You still will be paid commissions. So you initial there, you scroll down, and we're going to hit. If you want anything else, you can select that. There's no coupon code. Right here, you want to put your username. You want to put what you want to be recognized as your web address. You're going to get a website, a ton of information. So put your username here. It could be your first initial, your last name. It could be a nickname, anything like that. Put that right there, and then click continue. It's not going to take me forward because I didn't fill out none of the information. But when it takes you to the next site, it's going to ask you to put in your payment method. Put in your payment method, how you choose to pay. Hit OK, and bam, your membership is set up. All your information is going to come to your email address. Then you're going to reach out to me so I can put you in the groups and we can have a conversation about helping you move forward and launching your business so you can be successful. This is Mr. Inspiration. I hope this was helpful. Welcome aboard. Welcome to the team. We're doing great things and we are so excited to have you.